Alright, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to get the link to show in your affiliate promo tools. So here I am on the affiliate promo tools after the widget has been installed. So this is the widget here. This is where you log in. This is where you create your account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. So I'll enter my username, log in. Okay, so now that I'm logged in, this is your affiliate dashboard. This is where the affiliate would see their stats. This is where they could get their swipe copy. So all the copy that you add to the affiliate promo tools. This is where you get your blog reviews, articles, banners. This is where you would upload your banners. So your customers could simply just click this link to get the HTML to post this on their websites. But when I go to links, there's no link that shows right now. So how do you get this link to show? Inside of the affiliate portals dashboard in Groove. Let's get to that first. You need to go to GrooveSell, click on products. Now you need to click on affiliate sign up and promo tools. This will take you to your affiliate promo tools. This is where you create the affiliate promo tools. So if I click here, this would create a new promo tool widget for me, which is this widget that you see here. In order for me to activate this link, I need to first go to settings, click links, and over here I'll see product index page. I will now enable this and click update. Now, if I return to the affiliate portals and reload, refresh my page, click links, I could find my affiliate link right here. Okay, now the next step is how do you add that link? Where does the affiliate portal get the index link? The index link is set up through your product. So while you're creating your product, if you go to manage products, edit product, this is one specific front end product. When you're setting up a page, it lets you add content here. So content basically controls the sales page, the thank you page, refund period, and support emails if you like. So right here is where the sales page would be. This would be the home page of this product. Another question is, how do you add additional pages in your affiliate links? So for example, this link currently goes to the index of my website. If I copy and paste it, how do I add an additional landing page? All of this is managed through your product settings in Groove. A quick way of remembering this is we're in the affiliate section. This is the affiliate portal. So when you go to edit your product, let's hit edit. Now you want to navigate to the affiliate section because this is where we want to add an additional landing page. Then go to custom landing pages. And here you could add an additional custom landing page. For example, I want to create a new landing page that goes to our free funnels to let affiliates promote our free funnel giveaways and our free funnel templates. I would simply go to the affiliate tab, go to custom landing pages and create a new landing page. And this will be called free templates. And I will paste the landing page URL where it says landing page. I will make this landing page available to all affiliates and hit save. Now that it's saved, I need to go back to the affiliate portal, settings, go to links, and now I could enable free templates and update. Now if I reload my affiliate page and go to the affiliate portal, click links, I should have two links available to me. The initial one, the index page, and the second one that takes me to the free templates page. Hope this helps. Make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks.